Bomba bomba mabe kana zala kana mobali na yo na bomba makao ondi makatele rana nimili wae le rana nimiko sasa. The song is called Bomba Bomba Mabe. It is a Franco Makiadi composition. The year is 1978, and it's a very interesting song because the persona in the song is a woman, and she is saying that well, she accepts that she's befriending the husband of another woman, and then she says that she has really tried to restrain herself. She has really been hiding the whole thing and hiding from her so that peace can prevail. But the main wife has been looking for her and everything like that. So this one says, no, I've been hiding, but you do not want me to hide. So I now come and I want to say it is true that your husband and I have a relationship. In fact, in the context of the song, they even have children, So, Bomba Bomba Mabe. Bomba is to hide. Mabe is bad. So, Bomba Bomba Mabe means hiding is bad. So, she is no longer going to hide. She has come to the public to say that, yes, it's true that she has a relationship with the man. And this song is interesting because they gave it a live studio effect, some cheering of a crowd, but in very strategic parts of the song. Now, Table was also doing this, so I think it was a thing that Franco also followed, where you would have some fake crowd during the studio recording. So lelo oyo nalembi. Now today I am tired and I'm tired. Bomangai libela ome mangambo. Kill me today or kill me, but you know that you will forever have trouble. You will forever have issues. Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I know that you are the elder woman. I know that our husband, for that matter, treats you like the first woman. I know that very well. And I have not stopped you from living with him, from having a relationship with him, no? Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I respect you as the elder wife to the man. I have not stopped you or prohibited you from pushing or living with him. Today I am tired. Sasanga libela ome mangambo. So kosasa is to slaughter, is to destroy, or something like that. So she says, Sasangai omema gambo libela. That so you destroy me or kill me or do or slaughter me, and then you will bear the consequences forever. Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I know that you are the first wife, that you are the senior wife. I have not stopped you. I have not prohibited you from living with him. Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I know that you are the elder wife to the man. I have not stopped you from living together. So we say the same thing. Lelo oyo nalembi. Today I am tired. Bomanga libela ome mangambo. So you kill me and then you'll bear consequences for the rest of your life. So libela is forever. Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I know that you are the elder wife, the elder woman. I have not stopped you from living with him. Naebi ozali kolo ya mobali. I acknowledge that you are the senior wife. Ngai na pekisi yote bovanda. I have not prohibited you. I have not stopped you from living with him. And then of course the song now transitions where again Franco is the lead vocalist. Bomba bomba mabe, nazalaka na mobali na yo. Bomba bomba mabe, ngai nazalaka na mobali na yo. Hiding is bad. It is true that I am normally with your husband. Na bomba maka ondi makate lelo na ndimiliwa. Na bomba maka ondi makate lelo na ndimiliwa. You know, I have been hiding and keeping it secret, but you do not want it that way. So today, I am prepared even for death. Lelo na ndimiko sasa. So today, I am ready to spoil, to kill it, to destroy. Otuna na bato soki baebinga. You've been asking people if they know me. Otunaka soki nazali kitoko. You normally also ask if I am beautiful. Mama abotanga kitoko. My mom gave birth to me a very beautiful woman. Oh, what, Franco? Tata alulanga na bomwana. Even my own father, you know, admired me in my childhood because I'm very beautiful, Franco. Bomba bomba mabenga inazalaka na mobali na yo. Hiding is bad. I am normally with your husband. Na bomba maka ondi makate. I have been hiding, but you just do not want to accept that fact. Lelo na ndimiliwa. Today I'm ready for death. Lelo na ndimiko sasa. Today I want to destroy. Today I want to spoil it now. Yo moto oyebi barcode ya mobile na bank. You are the one that even knows the pin numbers. I mean his bank account. You know the pins. Guy angana na sala nini. So what am I supposed to do? What should I do? What are we fighting for? Bazua ya bosenzi mama munu. You know, this is stupid jealousy, you know. Bomba mabenga inazalaka na mobali na yo. Hiding is bad. The truth is that I'm normal with your husband. Na bomba maka ondi makate. I've been hiding, but you do not agree with that. Lelo na ndimiliwa. Today I am ready even to die. Lelo na ndimiko sasa. Today I want to destroy. Okoma kosala bazua lokola mwana moke. You are jealous like a small child. Yo moto koli baebi yo mingi. You know you are a grown up. People, a lot of people know you. Toko elande nini. What are we fighting for? Basua ya bosenzi chika. So he says this jealousy, this stupid jealousy, leave it. But then of course he mentions the chika, somebody's name. Bomba mabenga inazalaka na mobali na yo. Lying and hiding is bad. I'm normally with your husband. Na bomba maka ondi makate. I have been hiding myself, but you just do not agree with this. Lelo na ndimiliwa. Today I'm ready for death. Lelo na ndimiko sasa. Today I want to destroy it, you know. Let us now destroy this thing. Okoma kosiveye mobali lokola mwana moke. You survey, you follow your husband like a small child. You follow him everywhere he goes. Soki abimi okomi koluka bipai nyoso. If he goes out, you keep on looking for him all over the place, everywhere. Why are we fighting? You still have young children, so what are we fighting for? Bomba Mabe, Gana Zalaka na mobali na yo, na bomba makao, odi makate lero na nimili wae, lero na nimiko sasa. Otuna na zando soki ngai nazali kitoko. Yo otuna na zando soki ngai nazali kitoko. We've even been asking at the marketplace if I am beautiful. Otuna na bato soki baebingai. Otuna na bato soki baebingai. You have been asking people if they know me. What are we fighting for? Bazua ya bosensi. That is the stupid jealousy that you have. Koma kotuna bato epaina zalaka. You keep on asking people where I am found. Natindelayo mokanda na numero nangai. Now I've sent you a letter, and in that letter I have also included my telephone number. What are we fighting for? Basua ya bosenzi mama muno. You know, that is stupid jealousy. Bomba Mabe, Gana Zalaka na mobali na yo, na bomba makao, odi makate lero na nimili wae, lero na nimiko sasa. Otuna na Oscar soki aibingai. You even asked Oscar if he knows me. So I think this Oscar is Oscar Kashama, the one that used to have the OK bar where they used to perform the OK Jazz then before it became TPOK Jazz. Otuna na sukami soki na zalaka kitoko. You even asked Sukami if I am beautiful. Mama abotanga motane. You know, my mother gave birth to me and I am light skinned. Tata alulanga na bomwana. Even my own father admired me when I was still a small child. Bomba Mabe, Gana Zalaka na mobali na yo. Bomba Mabe, Gana Zalaka na mobali na yo. Hiding is bad. It's true that I am normally with your husband. Na bomba maka ondi makate. You know, I have been trying to keep this thing a secret, but you just won't let me do that. Today I am ready for death. Today I am ready to, you know, spoil it all now. Yomoko or Simbali Konzi ya mobali nandako. You are the one that holds the pillar. You know, you are the holder of the pillar of the husband. You are more or less the pillar to the husband, you know. Balobaka kutu babujaka yote bandeko. They normally say that you cannot even be shaken at all. You know, you are you are the pillar. So what are we fighting for? Basua ya bosenzi chika. You know, this is a stupid jealousy. Then again he mentions chika. I don't know if this was the guy that used to be the spokesperson for Franco Makiadi during his presses and so on. Bomba Mabe, Gana Zalaka na mobali na yo, na bomba makao, odi makate lero na nimili wae, lero na nimiko sasa. Okoma ko surveiller voiture ya mobali na yo. You now you even keep on following your husband's vehicle. Soki atelemisi yango epainanga. If he has parked the vehicle at my place, so keep on surveying to find out, could he have parked his vehicle at my place? What are we fighting over? Banana biso bakolite. Our children have not grown. So at this point, she's actually even alluding to the fact that she also has children with the same husband, with the same man. So Our children have not even grown, they're still young. So what are we fighting over?
Bomba bomba Mabe, Gana zalata na mobali na yo, na bomba makao. Ondi makate lero na dimili wai, lero na dimiko sasa.
Then of course the song gets into 7, and it's a very interesting 7 with very beautiful saxophone. If you have watched this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and notification buttons, leave a comment, share this video, and give me a request for a song that you'd like me to translate. Thank you very much for watching this.